Hi everybody, this is Mike. In this video we're going to talk about the sound of the vowel A in Spanish. Hola a todos, soy Mike. En este video vamos a hablar acerca del sonido de la vocal A en español. In Spanish we have 5 vowels, and unlike English we have one single sound for each vowel. So if in English we have 12 different vowel sounds, in Spanish we only have 5 different vowel sounds, which are one for each one of the vowels. In this video we're going to talk about the vowel A, which is in Spanish is A. The sound A for the vowel A is just like when we say apple, apple, apple. It's exactly the same. So if you notice, if you pay attention to this, the way you make the sound apple, apple, A, that would be the A. Basically, we open our mouth and we flatten our tongue, ah, and let this the sound go out. Ah, as in apple, 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 ah. So that's the sound of the vowel A in Spanish. Interesting thing. It doesn't matter the combinations for the vowel. We can have the vowel combined with different consonants. The sound is going to be the same. It's going to be ah. So what I've done is I've made a list of 54 words in Spanish with different combinations with consonants for the first syllable. So we have with the B, with the C, with the D, with the F, blah blah blah. So let's check these words, and this is a way both for practicing the sound of the vowel A in different combinations, plus we're learning vocabulary. So we have BA would be ba, ba, ba. Bailar, to dance. Banda, band. Barato, cheap. So that's we have 3 words for each one of the combinations. For this list, you can find more words. So CA would be ka. Interesting fact here, interesting thing. See, the combinations CA and KA sound the same. Both combinations sound the same. Ka. It doesn't matter if it's CA or KA, it sounds the same. So we have CA, cabeza, head, caja, box, cama, bed. For Spanish for Spanish from Spain, the Z sounds like th, so they say cabeza. But my Spanish is from Colombia. It's pretty much the same as Latin American Spanish, and we don't do that. We just say cabeza, cabeza for head. We don't say cabeza. We say cabeza. Caja, box, and cama, bed. Combination DA sounds da. When we say dart, da. And we have dado for dice, dar for the verb to give, danza for dance. Let's continue here. We have the combination FA, fa. Factura, bill or invoice. Fama, fame. Fatal, fatal. Factura, fama, fatal. Combinations GA, ga. Garra, claw. Gato, cat. Gallo, rooster. Another thing here. We have in Spanish LL and Y, and both of them sounds like Y. If I say llamar, let's do this. Llover, and it sounds exactly as yo. It's exactly the same, yo. Regardless, it can be either with Y or with double L. The sound is the same, and it's the same as the sound in English with the J. Joe, it would be Joe, but Joe. Some people, when they teach this sound, they say it's just like the Y and it sounds like EO, but it sounds weird. That doesn't sound natural for Latin American Spanish. So we have gallo for rooster. One more thing, the letter H, the consonant H in Spanish, sorry, in Spanish doesn't sound. It is mute. So for the word hammock, we say hamaca. It's just like if we had the same vowel by itself. Hamaca. Hallazgo, finding. Alar, to pull. A lot of Spanish native speakers, if you talk to them, perhaps you're gonna hear them saying jalar when they say this verb, but it's mispronounced. It's not pronounced correctly. The correct pronunciation is alar. Combination JA, jarra, jar, jabón, soap, jamón, ham, jamón. Combination KA. These words are not basically Spanish, but are words that we took from different languages. But for kayak, we say kajak. For karate, we say karate. And for karma, it's basically karma. Combination LA. Combination LA. For LA, we have la. And lata means can. Lata. Lavar, to wash. Lado, side. Combination MA. Mano, hand. Madre, mother. Mar, sea. Combination NA. Just like gnat. Nariz, nose. Nada, nothing. Nadar, to swim. Nadar. Combination PA. Pala, shovel. Pasto, grass. Parar, to stop. Combination RA. Interesting fact. If the combination RA is in the beginning of the word, it sounds strong, like ra. But if the combination RA is in between some other syllables, it sounds ra. So here is not in the beginning of the word, so we say mira. But here it sounds ra. Here it would sound ra only if we have double R. Mira. But the vowel A sounds the same. Mira. And even though this is a single R, it sounds R because it's in the beginning of the word. Ratón, mouse. Ratón. Rábano, radish. Rama, branch. Combination SA, sa, which is same combination ZA, sa, for Latin American Spanish. So we have salir, to leave or to go out. Salir. Sapo, for toad. Sapo. Santo, for saint. Combination TA, ta. Taza, cup. Taza. Tarea, homework or assignment. Talón, heel. Combination VA, va. You may hear Latin American people making this sound as ba. It doesn't matter. For us, we rarely make differences between the sound of the B and the V. If you see this and you make the sound V, it's way better. It sounds cool. It doesn't sound bad. Just for you to know, most of Latin American Spanish speakers, we don't make any differences between ba and va. So we can say vaso, vaca, vacío. But it legally sounds like vaso, glass, vaso, vaca, cow, vacío, empty. And finishing with combination YA, ya, already, yate, yat, yate, yacer, lie, to lie, as in lying in bed. Not as in telling lies, not like that. And the last combination, ZA, as I told before, zapato, shoe, zapato. Zanja, ditch, zanja. Zarpar, ditch as a noun, not as a verb, noun. Zanja, ditch. And zarpar, it's a verb, to set sail, to live on a boat or a ship. Zarpar, to set sail. So, in a nutshell, we have the sound of the vowel A in Spanish is A, as in apple. We can, it's basically a short sound, A. We can combine that sound with different sounds. It doesn't matter. It always sounds A. And we've made a small exercise learning 54 words with different combinations, using different combinations of consonant vowel A at the beginning of the word. So, what's your assignment? Your homework is to practice the sound, use these words, and try and learn the words as you practice the sound, and learn more words if you can. If you have questions, please go back and review the whole video as many times as you need. And if you still have questions after that, please leave a comment. I'll try and reply as soon as possible. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Share with your friends and in your groups. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Subscribe in order to support the channel. And you're going to be able to, if you enable the notifications, you click on the little bell, you will be able to receive notifications whenever we're posting new videos or maybe a live video, and plus you support our channel. So I enjoy this a lot. I hope you've liked the video. I hope these resources are going to be helpful for you in your process of learning Spanish. So thanks for watching the video, and see you in a future video. Have fun, learn a lot, study a lot. See you later. Bye bye. Nos vemos luego. Cuídense. Chao. Estudien bastante. Bye bye.